Hi, it's Roxanne, the spooky cat lady of dark whimsical art. And today, I got in the November Japan crate. But before we look inside of that, we're going to open the door number 12 for the 13 days of Halloween. Here we go, door number 12. Oh, look, it's it. I swear we already got it. I'll have to check, but here he is again. Such a cute little creepy clown. Get up there with the rest of you creepy little guys. Got a nice little pile of creepy guys. What do you think, Yoda? Yeah, Yoda has to live with them. And now let's pick a tarot card for today. Here are the cards. Let's get. Let's see. The Eight of Swords. Well, that's a new one. We'll have to look that one up as well. Let's check it out. So the Eight of Swords in reverse, making excuses, victim mentality, inventing problems. I don't think I do that. Maybe making excuses, but that would be the only one. So let's move on to the Japan crate. Alright, time to check out what's in the box. Let's see, we've got this, which is a DIY kit where you make it yourself. We got ourselves a kohi. Nice and cold, straight from the freezer. Oh, I love these. These things are good. They sell them at Don Quixote. They come in different flavors, and they're like a little burst of juice. We got Halloween Kit Kat apple pie flavor. Now we actually have this flavor here in the US. I'm curious if they're the same. We got an interesting kind of pocky. I don't know. Guess we'll find out. Oh, we got a omae bowl, which is kind of like a giant Cheeto. And this is nori flavored, which would be the little seaweed sheets you put on sushi. This looks like it might be a more traditional Japanese candy. These are cute. It's like a marshmallow with a filling inside, sometimes mostly chocolate. And then kanban. I think it's a chocolate piece. I guess we'll find out. These are always gum, so I'm not going to eat this one. I got some kind of interesting looking chip here. Maybe some kind of Italian flavor, basil. I don't know. Pizza flavor? And this is like a garlic barbecue corn flavor, which actually at Busch Gardens they do this at Halloween. They put the corn on the cob and they like grill it. It's really good, especially when you're starving and you're cold. I got like, I think these are white chocolate covered pretzels. This typically, I think, is a big thing of gum, so we're not going to eat this one. It's a gummy, and they're these really cool, very squishy gummies. And I've had a lot of these, so I'm not going to eat this one today. And this is like a little pudding thing. And I've had a lot of these, so I'm not going to eat it today either. And we also got this very fancy Pocky. So this should be interesting. We'll definitely try it, this one. So let's start trying them. Because this one takes a lot of time and probably can make a whole video just out of this, we're not going to open this one today. Or the Omaibo, because I've had tons of Omaibo. So we're going to do this. And it's just a little sack of juice, basically. Real fruit juice, from what it says. See, squish, 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 squish. When you put it in your mouth, it's just gonna pop. And this smells like ramen flavor. I love these. These are so good. They're so weird. Kind of got the texture of a grape. Alright, so here is the Kit Kat, the Japanese one. The one in the US is like an orange color, like the color of a pumpkin pie. But the Japanese one is purple. So let's see if they taste the same. It's different. Maybe that's apple pie, where the American one is pumpkin pie. So they're definitely different, yeah. Okay. We're going to try this one now. Babies, what are you doing? Here it is, like a pretzel. No, it's not a pretzel. It's foamy on the inside. And it tastes like coffee. Interesting. Doesn't say coffee on it though. But that's okay, I like coffee. Let's try the drink. Because I'm getting thirsty here. This is coffee. Oh, that's good. It's not super bitter, which is how I like it. Tastes like a typical Japanese vending machine coffee. Excellent. Which I miss so much. Alright, time for this one. I could go there, but I have to quarantine for 14 days. So I think this is kind of Italian. It looks like a tiny Italian breadstick. Yep, it's just a breadstick. Got a little bit of a buttery taste to it. Maybe garlic. It's good. More savory, not sweet. And this, which I thought was probably chocolate, is chocolate. And it has this. I think it's so you can win something. On the back, I think that means that I lost. I always lose. And this is the chocolate that's inside. It's a darker chocolate, not super sweet, but it's good. Is this open already? I guess opening it is just flipping it over, but yeah, I lost. Alright, I got this odd candy that this is the first time I've gotten this one. Hopefully it's not gum or hard candy. It's like a little tablet. And it's very sweet and sugary. And that's basically its flavor. Sweet, sugar. It's like any kind of candy like that. Now we got this fancy pocky. Let's see. Look at that. It's gigantic. And what is this flavor? Chocolate biscuit special. And it's not chocolate, it's more like kind of like nutty, some kind of nut flavor. Not really peanut butter, more like almond or something. It's good. We got the last two, the big bags. Got this weird Italian looking one. It looks like Cheetos in there. Yep, it's just like a Cheeto. Yeah, it's very Italian. Tastes just like that oil that you dip your bread in, the butter and oil and basil and garlic and stuff, just like that. And the last thing, Nip 2, looks just like Cheetos, which is fine with me. I love Cheetos. As you can see. Tastes just like corn. Not like a corn chip, but literal corn on the cob, which is a good flavor. It's just interesting. So that's everything in the November Japan crate. And now you need a horror movie recommendation. And tonight, I suggest you watch Tales of Halloween. I think you'll enjoy that one. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, day 13. And then it'll be Halloween. Woo! See you in the next video. Bye-bye.